Hey, how's it going, Ronald? This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm making you this video, and it's simple. There's a lot of business owners out there that are spending all of their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of these business owners still end up raising their hands saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, Ronald, do you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you out with this? Give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to take this information and do it yourself, that's okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. All I'm going to talk to you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content to start is whatever is on the front page of your website that Google looks through and crawls through just to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So for you specifically, it'd be things like Dallas Foundation Repair, Garland Foundation Repair, Plano Foundation Repair, Allen Foundation Repair, all these different areas that you search that you service. Now, Google wants you to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page to consider you an authority, and that includes all the text that you read, as well as whatever your images are saved as well as whatever text is behind your images. So let's take a look at your website and your business. So here's your website right here. It's your Facebook page. I do love that you have a lot of photos up here, and you keep it up to date, like September, August, July. You're putting a lot of stuff up. You're showing a lot of activity. That's awesome. As far as these pictures too, they're going to be a really great addition to your website. I will say you definitely want to get your website up though. That way it gives you the ideas or the ability to rank and bring in free leads. And I'll show you that right now. So your two main competitors are PremierFoundationRepair.com and BrownFoundationRepair.com. These guys come on the front page of Google when you type in Dallas Foundation Repair. So these guys, just to show you what you're up against, they have probably about 500 to 600 words on their page. They don't have that 1,500 to 2,000, so you can easily beat them by doing that. And then Brown Foundation Repair, same thing. They probably have about 500 to 600 words on their front page. When you put your page up and you have about 1,500, you're going to completely dominate them. So that's my first tip. Also, going hand in hand with that tip, when you put these images on there, you want to save them as things such as like Foundation Repair Dallas. Because let me show you, they're probably not doing that correct here. It's very common. Here, save image as. Oh, no, they're doing it right. Crack and Sheetrock Dallas. So someone's going to type that in and they're going to find their website. Crack and Tile Floor Dallas. Hey, they're doing it right. So you want to make sure you do that. Type in things like Foundation Repair, Stair Stepping Dallas, stuff like that, okay? Next thing we're going to talk about is going to be backlinks. Now, Google is like a popularity contest, and look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other foundation companies and construction companies linking to your website than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google is well aware that you're not a pizza company. So I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So PremierFoundationRepair.com and BrownFoundationRepair.com. So these guys have been running SEO for quite a long time. They have records all the way from 2013 with links going to them. They've been doing this for a while. Their rank has been steadily decreasing, and Brown Foundation has been doing this for a long time too, and they just have been pretty weak in general. They haven't done much recently. They actually kind of jumped up one time really quickly in like a month, and then they've stayed there. So there's nothing much fresh here. It's going to be really easy to beat these guys, but what I want to bring your attention to is right here where it says referring domains. This is how many websites are linking to them. They have 313 for these guys. These guys have 300. So what you want to do is you want to beat them. So you're going to want to not only put your website up with 1,500, 2,000 words, but you're going to want to go out and get like 330 to 340, maybe even 350 websites linking to you. And the best way to do this is to go see what websites are linking to them and go try to get those same links. So all these, MoveZoo, Masterlift Foundation, links, Link Direct, any of these, you just go to the website and you try to get a link from them. You join as a pro, etc. And you can do this for every one of your competitors. But here's the reason why it's so important to do that. By them doing this and getting these links, look how much people visit their website a month. 329 people a month. Foundations are expensive. Those can be, a cheap foundation job, maybe $5,000, but they easily go upwards of $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, especially if you're talking about Dallas or, some of those homes are really big. Imagine having this many people looking at your website every single month. That's massive money for you. So it's really important to do this. That's my second tip. My third tip is citations. When somebody types in Dallas Foundation Repair and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first foundation company that shows up that seems trustworthy, and you want to be that company because those are the easiest customers to close. As we know, not many people click on these ads nowadays. It could be from bad experiences in the past. It could be from having ad blockers, but the best place to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map hack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. And citations are wherever your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. Directories like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Bing. These are all different directories. The best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are listed in. Go list yourself in those exact same directories and add a bunch more on top. I always recommend adding 30 to 40% more to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you take that #1 spot, it takes these guys a long time to catch up to you. You typically have to do maybe an hour or two of work per month just to hold that #1 spot and keep getting those easy close customers. So that's all I've got for you, Ronald. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over today was content. I would definitely recommend getting your website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words once you get that website built. Backlinks. You're going to want to copy your competitors' backlinks and add a bunch more. So you're going to be shooting for about 350 links to that website. And then citations, you can do this right away without having a website. Just go figure out what directories your competitors are listing themselves in, list yourself in those same exact ones, and add a bunch more on top. So Ronald, if you want to do this yourself, like I said, this is totally free education. There's no strings attached whatsoever. I'm not expecting anything from you. I'm just here to help out. I would appreciate if you did have like a quick second just to shoot me back one or two sentence email. Tell me what you thought about this video. And if you want me to help you take care of all this stuff, give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, Ronald. I hope you have a great day. Bye.